We have an electric barrier system. It's a stainless steel wire system that we permanently install on the building that gives the birds a mild shock, just enough to train them not to hang out on the property. It's stainless steel wires, your clear polycarbonate insulators. This right here wooden ledge represents a ledge, a windowsill, column top that we install the system. We can continuously add on to the system as much as we need to. We're going to install in the areas where the birds are nesting and roosting.